Narrator. In the grand tapestry of life, every thread tells a story. Every individual thread, each with its unique color, texture, and strength, contributes in its own special way to the magnificent picture that unfolds as our lives progress. We are not solitary threads, we are part of a grand design, interconnected and interwoven. We create stories of joy, of sorrow, of triumph and defeat. Yet each story, each thread, is integral to the overall picture, contributing to its beauty and depth. Now imagine for a moment, if you will, a single thread. This thread represents our vision, our ability to witness and participate in the world around us. Vision is one of our most vital senses, a key tool that opens doors to learning, communication, and exploration. Without it, our experience of the world can become severely limited. This is why we must give our attention to the well-being of our eyes, not only for the sake of clear vision, but for the sake of our overall health and well-being. And so, today, we embark on a journey that takes us into the realm of vision and vitality, exploring the steps we can take to nurture our eyes, enhance our eyesight, and protect this critical sense from the increasing challenges of the modern world. We will unravel the mysteries of the eye, delve into its intricacies, understand its functions, and discover preventive measures and therapies to maintain and enhance its capacity. As we navigate through these topics, we will uncover the fascinating world of vision science, explore the critical importance of regular eye care, and learn how to protect our eyes from common ailments and threats. We will share insights from experts, relate personal experiences, and equip you with practical tips and recommendations to care for your eyesight. As we conclude this journey, you would have gained a new appreciation for your eyes. You'll understand how precious your vision is and be motivated to take proactive steps to protect and maintain it. After all, our vision is a vital thread in the grand tapestry of our lives, contributing not only to our individual story, but also to the stories we share with others around us. Today, we've woven a tale of vision and vitality, exploring the steps we can take to enhance our eyesight and protect our eyes from the challenges of the modern world. Narrator. We've discovered the transformative power of eye exercises, a potent and often overlooked area in the maintenance and improvement of visual health. These simple yet effective exercises have proven to significantly enhance focus and flexibility. They can act as a potent weapon in our arsenal, fighting against the wear and tear of everyday life that affects our sight. When we talk about eye exercises, we're referring to a series of activities designed to strengthen the muscles that control eye movement and focus. These exercises are not just about improving vision, but also about enhancing the overall functionality of the eyes. By regularly practicing these exercises, one can significantly reduce strain and fatigue, two common ailments that plague the modern screen-intensive lifestyle of today. In our journey, we have not only explored the realm of physical exercise, but have also delved into the fascinating world of nutrition. The old adage, "You are what you eat," finds a whole new meaning when it comes to eye health. Our investigations have revealed the vital role that our diet, maintaining and even enhancing our visual prowess. We've learned that a diet rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids, can serve as a potent shield for our eyes. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining eye health, preventing age-related macular degeneration, and reducing the risk of cataracts. Research shows that consuming green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale, fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and tuna, and fruits high in vitamin C like oranges and strawberries can greatly improve eye health. The positive effect of such a diet is not just limited to the prevention of eye diseases, but also extends to improving overall visual acuity and performance. Continuing our exploration, we have come to understand that the combination of physical exercises and a balanced diet can create a robust defense system for our eyes, more powerful than any artificial aid or treatment. Indeed, the power of nature and our own bodies, when harnessed correctly, can be formidable in maintaining and improving our vision. Understanding how a diet rich in antioxidants and vital nutrients can serve as a potent shield for our eyes. Narrator. We've embraced the profound impact of rest, comprehending its undeniable influence on both our mental and physical well-being. This journey takes us to the heart of tranquility, where peace and serenity converge to create moments of absolute relaxation, moments that help rejuvenate our weary eyes. We have always understood the sweet symphony of silence, the comforting whisper of calmness, but it's only now that we have truly recognized its effect on our tired eyes. Our eyes, the windows to our soul, they bear the burden of our relentless pace, the constant hustle. They are the silent spectators of our lives, enduring the strain of our ambitions and dreams. In this relentless pursuit of our dreams, we often overlook the simple act of rest. But it is in these quiet moments of respite that we find the strength to carry on, to continue our quest. Rest is not just a pause, it is a renewal. It is a gentle reminder that we are not machines, that we need to recharge, to rejuvenate. And part of this rejuvenation process is acknowledging the importance of regular eye exams. We've finally come to realize how vital these exams are to maintain the health of our eyes. Vision is a precious gift, and we must do everything we can to protect it. We've started to see the significance of these exams not just as a routine checkup, but as a preventive measure. Recognizing the value of early detection and prevention takes us one step closer towards safeguarding our vision. This isn't just about preserving our sight, it's about preserving our view of the world, our ability to navigate through life. The eyes are an integral part of this journey, and we must ensure that they are given the care they deserve. And so we've not just acknowledged but embraced the importance of regular eye exams, recognizing the value of early detection and prevention in safeguarding our vision. Narrator. As we bid farewell, remember this journey we've embarked on together. Our adventure has been one of shared exploration, a symbiotic dance of discovery and understanding. The path we've walked, the visions we've seen, they all contribute to who we are, shaping us into more complete, more passionate individuals. Our journey, however, is more than just the physical mile markers we've passed. It's the emotional and intellectual growth we've experienced. Let the immense beauty of this world seep into and let yourself be forever touched by its majesty. Reflect upon the power of the mountains, the serenity of the forests, the resilience of the oceans, and the eternal vitality of the deserts. These are the natural wonders that have been our teachers, our guides, our mentors in this voyage of self-discovery. Take these lessons to heart and let them guide you in your daily life. Let the strength of the mountains give you courage. Let the serenity of the forests give you peace. Let the resilience of the oceans give you hope. And let the vitality of the deserts give you energy. In applying these lessons, you'll find a new appreciation for the world and discover a depth of understanding that intensifies your perception. Experience the joy of seeing the world with renewed clarity and precision. As you navigate through life, allow these lessons to inspire you to see beauty in new ways, to appreciate each moment as a precious gift, to broaden your horizons, and to deepen your connection with the world and with yourself. What we've journeyed through together is not the end, rather, it's a beginning. Each day is a fresh start, another opportunity to apply what we've learned and to continue growing. As the sun rises, casting a golden hue over the earth, we're reminded of our potential and the infinite possibilities that lie before us. And so, the story continues with every new sunrise and every blink of our eyes. Narrator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening tales and inspiring journeys. In this digital age where there is an abundance of information readily available at your fingertips, we want to be your go-to source for compelling tales and insightful journeys that spark curiosity and inspiration. Our mission is to bring you stories from every corner of the world, transcending borders and cultures, stories that illuminate the human spirit and resonate with your inner explorer. We continuously strive to create content that challenges your thinking, opens your mind to new ideas, and introduces you to unheard voices and untold tales. From the icy tundra of Arctic, where life thrives against all odds, to the bustling, vibrant markets of a Moroccan Medina, we present you a window into the world, one story at a time. With every video we painstakingly produce, our objective is to inspire you to venture beyond your comfort zone, to question the status quo, to learn something new each day. Your engagement is what fuels our creativity. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, your perspectives, your feedback. It helps us improve and deliver better. It helps us in shaping the stories we tell, and ultimately, it helps us in serving you better. The comment section below each video is your platform, a space where you can your opinions, share your insights and ideas. Do you have a topic that you'd like us to dive into? An issue that needs more light shed on it? Or perhaps there's a fascinating culture or a little-known historical event you'd like to know more about? Tell us and we'll do our best to venture into that realm. Your interaction, your active participation is what keeps this channel thriving. We invite you to join our community of curious minds, to be a part of this journey of discovery, of learning, of growth. We want this channel to be more than just a place where stories are told. We want it to be a place where stories are born, where your stories find a voice. Until our paths cross again, stay curious, stay inspired, and remember, your story is the most powerful story of all. Narrator. Now, before we part ways, let's take a moment to debunk some common myths about eye health. You see, misinformation can be as harmful as no information, and when it comes to our eyes, it's crucial to have the right knowledge. Myth number 1, reading in dim light damages your eyes. The truth is, while it may cause temporary strain, it doesn't cause permanent damage. Moving on to myth number 2, using glasses or contacts will weaken your eyesight over time. In reality, glasses or contacts correct your vision. They don't alter the physical structure or health of your eyes. Myth number 3, if you cross your eyes, they'll stay that way. This is simply not true. Crossing your eyes won't cause them to freeze in that position. And finally, myth number 4, sitting too close to the TV harms your eyes. Again, this might cause temporary strain, but there's no evidence to suggest permanent damage. Remember, knowledge is power. Don't let myths cloud your vision. Always seek professional advice for any eye health concerns. After all, our eyes are our windows to the world, and it's our responsibility to take care of them. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep questioning, and above all, keep learning. Because every day is a chance to learn something new, to debunk a myth, and to become a little wiser. Narrator. Now, let's take a delicious detour. How about we explore some recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also boost your eye health? Yes, you heard it right. Certain foods are packed with antioxidants and vital nutrients like vitamin A, C, E, and zinc that are essential for maintaining your eye health. Let's dive right in. Our first recipe is a vibrant spinach and bell pepper salad. Spinach is a powerhouse of antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Bell peppers, on the other hand, are loaded with vitamin C, which can slow down the progression of age-related eye diseases. Next up, we have a delightful carrot and ginger soup. Carrots are well known for their high beta-carotene content, which our body converts into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for good vision. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help protect against eye diseases. And finally, let's end on a sweet note with a bowl of mixed berries and almonds. Berries are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, while almonds provide a good dose of vitamin E, protecting your eyes from harmful free radicals. Incorporating these eye-healthy recipes into your diet can provide the necessary nutrients your eyes need to function optimally. So, go ahead and give them a try. Bon appetit! Here's to good food and great vision.